In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin elements to the screen in the Wix Editor. This can be a really useful feature if you want certain elements like your navigation menu, a call to action button, or an important image to always be visible to site visitors as they scroll through your page. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear and easy to follow. First things first, you'll need to access your Wix Editor or Wix Studio. Once you've got that open, it's time to decide which element you want to pin. This could be a button, a box, an image, or even a menu. Simply click on the element to select it. Engaging with an element is crucial here as it allows us to apply further adjustments and ensure the pinning process works smoothly. Now that you've selected your desired element, look for the option to pin to screen in the floating toolbar. This toolbar will pop up as soon as you click on the element. It contains a variety of tools that help customize and enhance the functionality of your element. Clicking on Pin to Screen activates the feature that keeps your chosen element visible, irrespective of how far users scroll down the page. The next step is crucial, choosing the pin position. This determines where on the screen your element will remain visible. You have several positions to choose from, depending on your design preferences and user experience goals. These options include top left, top center, top right, middle left, center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. Take a moment to think about which position would be most effective for maintaining your element's visibility and accessibility. Each position serves distinct purposes, so consider your website's layout and design flow. Once you've chosen the pin position, your element will be fixed in that spot and will stay in the same position on the screen as users scroll. This simple action ensures continuity and focus, particularly for elements that encourage user interaction or convey crucial information. It's a nifty technique to make sure important content doesn't get lost as visitors navigate through your site, enhancing user experience significantly. And there you have it, a straightforward way to pin elements to the screen in the Wix Editor. Whether you want to keep your navigation visible, draw attention to a special offer, or maintain continuity with a static design element, pinning to the screen is an effective approach to achieving these goals. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to enhance the functionality and usability of your Wix website. Happy designing, and remember that well-placed pins can make all the difference in creating a seamless browsing experience.